I want to print a static pattern here. Okay, for that I need to do two things. First is I need to give a starting and I need to give a ending of that loop. I will start from 1 and give a comma, and if I need to go to till 3a, then I will just write, for suppose I am changing the value here is 5. Okay, now I want to print I only. I want to print, sorry, static, number of times static, comma, and when it increment, it will apply increment in loop, then it will multiply the numbers with a numbers with static. Okay, what is this line? This line is called that our loop is going to start with 1. Okay, and it will stop once value is greater than once greater than a, or it is a plus 1, right? It will stop. For suppose first time the value of loop is 1, then it will print 1 static. Second time it will turn the value 2, then it is not a plus 1, then it will go print from 1 to it will go here and multiply 2 multiply by I multiply by static. Okay, 2 multiply static, then 2 statics. If I want then in third loop it will go 3 static, 4, and so on. Now let's try to do. If I write here, now let's put how it is going to work. Let's see. Look, it is run like table of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, if I want to know what are the number of last row, what are the number of rows, then I will write here I, and let's print I. Let us see how. Look, the 10 in one line is one line, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, if it is the line number 10, it means um it is going to be 20 because it is multiplied by 2i. Okay, now let's remove this, and okay, let's do it with this one and see how it is going to work. Look, it is going to work in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Like it is in odd numbers, sorry, even numbers, and it is in odd numbers. Let us do this now let us, what is this, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.